Stop struggling with unwanted attention on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm Anna from For Real, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop Instagram suggesting your account to other people in just about 3 minutes. It's a simple fix for better privacy. If you've ever felt a bit overwhelmed by random follow requests, or just want more control over who finds your profile, you're in the right place. Instagram's suggestion feature can be great, but sometimes you want to fly under the radar. It can be tricky to find this setting, but it doesn't have to be. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to turn off these account suggestions. We'll cover everything you need to know, making it super clear. The most important thing to know up front is this: you currently cannot do this through the Instagram mobile app. You must use the Instagram website on a computer or a web browser on your phone. Let's get started. All right, step 1. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever you use, and go to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. All right, once you're logged in and see your Instagram feed, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. At the very bottom of this menu, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines labeled More. Click on that. Step 3. Now you're on your main Instagram settings page. By default, you should land on the Edit Profile section, or it might be the first option in the settings menu on the left. If it's not already selected, click on Edit Profile. This is where we'll find the option we need for managing those Instagram account suggestions. Hold on, wait. If you're finding this tutorial helpful for improving your Instagram privacy settings, please give this video a quick like. It really helps other people who want to control Instagram suggestions find it. Okay, back to it. Step 4. Now, on this Edit Profile page, scroll down towards the bottom. You're looking for a section specifically labeled Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. It usually has a little explanation like, choose whether people can see similar account suggestions on your profile, and whether your account can be suggested on other profiles. Step 5. Once you've toggled that off, don't forget the final crucial step. Scroll down just a tiny bit more if needed, and you'll see a blue Submit button. Click Submit to save your changes. If you don't click Submit, the setting won't take effect. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to stop Instagram suggesting your account to other people. No more unwanted suggestions popping up for others. And you can feel a bit more in control of who discovers your profile. This is a great way to hide Instagram profile suggestions without making your account private, if that's what you prefer. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips on Instagram or other social media tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button to For Real and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments, what other Instagram tasks do you find tricky, or what privacy settings are you most interested in? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.